Okay, I just finished installing my rotor pack on my truck, and today I just received my high lift jack. UPS just delivered it right here. So I'm excited. I'm going to install it. See how it looks. It's going to be nice. See, it's pretty long. It's pretty big. Nice and big. It's heavy. I got this from eBay. I think it's only like $80. Let's see the inside look. Let's open it up. Okay. Let's see. Put this out. Cut this out here. It's pretty heavy. Let's cut this out. Cool. Let's see what's in there. Ooh, well packed. Ooh, pretty heavy, looking heavy. Let me put the phone down first. Alright, here comes the baby. There she's coming out. She's coming out. Wow, pretty big. This baby is pretty heavy. It's a big one. See high lift jack instruction and manual in there too. So let me unwrap this baby up. Suck in there. They kind of bond to each other. Wow, it's a good insulation. They call something with intelligent pack or something, I think. Let me see where they go. There you go. Intelligent pack. Pretty good insulation here. This thing is pretty heavy. I'm gonna put on a scale, see how much this thing weighs. It's a pretty good pound in there. Add more weight into the truck here, but it's all right. You gotta use it when you have a lift truck. So it's convenient. So I'm gonna weight this one and put it on the scale right now. I just go on the tip. Oh, it's only 27 pounds. Not bad. Okay. 27 pounds only. Okay. Okay, I have there's a bracket to mount my high lift jack. Just came to, so I'm gonna cut it off. Oop. So this is gonna go into my high lift jack. There it is. This is how this bracket looks like. I hope it works great on that roof rack, Kelly roof rack. I hope it fit in the Kelly roof rack. Okay, here's another one. You have to have two on both sides, so each end have to hold with this bracket in order to hold that jack. Because the jack is very heavy. Remember, I weighed it. Here's some hardware that come with it. Another hardware. There's another hardware. Another bag of hardware. There's a whole bunch of hardware here. So it must have. So these are very heavy duty steel. Look at the thickness. This pretty heavy duty. They power coated, nice and black. So it would fit my Kelly race roof rack. The same color, black and power coat as well. So see what happened when I installed it. I'll let you see it. Here she is. Just check in here. And then I'll install it and let you see it. Cool. Alright, I will show you when I install into the truck. Okay, here she is. This is how it looks. She's new, look at that. No scratch or anything yet. Awesome, look at this mechanism. It looks heavy duty. It looks pretty good quality to me. We'll see. I never used it high lift before, so see what happened. Kind of greasy. They got a lot of grease in here. I heard that you have to lubricate it every time you use it, something like that. I don't know if that's true or not, but put a lot of grease in here. Well, we'll show you when I put it onto my roof rack on my Tacoma bed. Alright. Here is the install of my high lift jack onto this roof rack, Kelly roof rack bed for my Tacoma. I have my locks here as well to lock it, so here's a key, so in case nobody can steal it. So the mounting is very strong, sturdy, stiff. But I don't know, when you're driving, this thing might make some rattle sound or something like that. I don't know, I haven't test drive it yet. But and these I got these high lift keeper handle or something like that. That's what they call. It's pretty good, so it just lock in, so the handle will not jump up and down while you're driving. So it looks very good. And that's it. I mean, again, my rooftop tent is on the way. I will put it on when I get here. So here is the install of my high lift jack on Kelly Ray's long bed for Tacoma. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll update you on the Tepui Antenna 4 when I have it. It's on its way, so we'll let you guys see it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Please, if you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, I will get some more video for you. Alright, here is the coupler lock made by Tramac. So if you need, I just got it from eBay, so that's what it is right here. It looks great.